Imagine creating AI marketing videos of product and avatar videos in seconds without any skills. Today I'm gonna show you how you can do it for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 9tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create stunning marketing videos using a fantastic tool called Pipit AI. First thing first, you will need to create an account. Once you have signed up and logged in, you will see our dashboard like this. Here you will notice several options like marketing video, avatar video, talking photo, design, product photo, and product showcase. Let's start by clicking on the marketing video button. Here you can choose how to create your video. Let's try media. I will upload an image, in this case a face wash product photo that I want to turn into a video. Then I will adjust the settings. Next, you can configure additional settings such as language, video length. Once everything is set, click generate. The tool will start processing your video, which may take a few minutes. After it's ready, you can preview it instantly.
Tired of cleansers that dry out your skin or just don't work? Meet Besta number 9, the jelly cleanser that does it all, gently. It dissolves makeup and grime while nourishing your skin with cantaloupe extract. Simple, effective, and kind. This is Besta number 9.
Next, let's try the document option. Here you simply upload your document, adjust the settings, and hit generate. The tool will then convert your document into a professional video. Once ready, just play it and enjoy the result.
In the final seconds of the game, the world holds its breath. This is it. This is the moment. He's through, breaking past the defense. The stadium is on its feet. Cool, unbelievable, a last-minute miracle. The roar of victory, pure, unadulterated passion. This is what it's all about. This is football.
This is awesome. Now let's try using only a prompt. For example, I will enter create a modern wireless earbuds video. After hitting the generate button, Pip AI will produce the video in minutes.
Where design meets desire. Crafted for the moment, designed for tomorrow. Your world, your sound.
The result is simple. Another powerful feature is the AI avatar. First, pick your favorite avatar. Then use the edit tools to customize it. You can edit the script, add captions, manual or automatic. Adjust caption style, add avatar, text, audio, and more. Once done, click export and your avatar video will be ready within seconds.
Hello, I am your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right and click on the script in the video to edit it. Hello, I am your avatar. You can choose.
Besides marketing and avatar video, Pipit AI also lets you create talking photos, design, product photos, product showcase. And that's it for today's walkthrough. The link to Pipit AI is in the description below. I hope you will find this video helpful. And here is a bonus for you. If you want to try Pipit AI, you can get 45% off your first plan by using the code PIPIT45OFF at checkout. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.